Well, good morning to you too. So it's Sunday morning, guys, and I went outside just to see what the day was looking like, and this is what I found. Needless to say, I had to change the tire, so I just went ahead and grabbed my floor jack and slid it under the pumpkin on my R50 Pathfinder so I can jack my truck up high enough to get the flat tire off. And then I went ahead and threw the spare on in its place. I also scheduled an appointment for the following morning at Discount Tire to have the flat repair made. Here at Discount Tire, waiting for them to do a flat repair on Camper Dan here. Came outside yesterday morning and found my right rear tire flat as a pancake. So I quickly threw my spare on, and then I made an appointment for this morning, Monday, to have the tire repaired. And the cool thing is they're gonna do it for the low price of free this morning. Just got my truck back. I also went ahead and adjusted tire pressure for me, 38 all around per the technician. So it wasn't a big deal. So yeah, back on the road we go. So they use the verbiage patch, but it's more like a plug. There's where the hole was. You see that little nodule protruding there? And that's how they made the repair.